Good morning ka-friendship! Today's video ay magluluto tayo ng cheesy banana blossom balls. Okay, so sit back and relax and please enjoy watching this video until the end. Here are the ingredients. Meron tayo ditong isang puso ng saging or banana blossom, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 2 pieces raw eggs, meron tayo ditong spring onion, isang pirasong siling haba, 2 calamansi, 6 cloves garlic, 1 piece onion, meron tayo ditong cheese, hiniwa ko na siya sa maliliit na cube, meron tayo ditong breadcrumbs, and also meron tayong flour. And of course, gagamit tayo ng cooking oil, salt, and pepper. Okay ka-friendship, let's do the rock and roll. What we're going to do next, ka-friendship, is hihiwain natin ang ating puso ng saging. So, ayan, mga ganyan na siya, ka-friendship. So, ayan. Nahiwa na po natin ka-friendship ang ating banana blossom. So what we're going to do next is lagyan natin siya ng asin. Ayan. And then after that, i-mash natin. Make sure na malinis ang ating mga kamay. I-mash lang natin siya ka-friendship. And pag na-mash na natin siyang mabuti ka-friendship, i-squeeze natin. Ayan. Hanggang sa lumabas yung kanyang extract. So, ayan. Squeeze lang natin maigi ka-friendship. So, ayan na po ka-friendship ang ating banana blossom. Wala na siyang extract. So what we're going to do next is i-mix lang natin ang lahat ng mga ingredients. So, ayan ang ating garlic, onion, ang ating tawag dito, spring onion, kalahati lang muna, ang ating siling haba, ang ating flour, ang ating oyster sauce. Saka ang ating itlog. Mix lang natin very well ka-friendship hanggang sa mag-incorporate lahat ng ating mga ingredients. Na rin tayo ng salt ka-friendship. And also ang ating pepper. At mag-squeeze tayo ng 2 pirasong calamansi. So, ayan. mix lang natin again. What we're going to do next, ka-friendship, is magpo-form tayo ng ball. So, ayan. Again, make sure na malinis yung mga kamay natin. So, ayan. And then, lagyan natin siya ng cheese sa gitna. So, ayan, ka-friendship. Ulit tayo ng isa. Lagyan natin ng cheese. So, ganyan ang gagawin natin ka-friendship sa lahat ng mga natira nating mixture. Friendship, ang nagawa nating banana blossom ball. So, ipiprito na natin siya ka-friendship. So, next ka-friendship, sa isang malalim na lutuan, maglagay tayo ng cooking oil dahil i-deep fry natin yung ating banana blossom balls. So, ayan. Bago natin siya piprituhin, i-dredge muna natin siya sa breadcrumbs. So, ayan. So, ayan ka-friendship. So, hayaan na lang muna natin siya dyan hanggang sa maging golden brown ang ating banana blossom balls. And don't forget na i-turn siya from time to time. Okay, friendship, luto na yung ating cheesy banana blossom balls. Okay, ready for serving na siya. Ito na po yung ating finished product. Ayan, ang ating cheesy banana blossom balls. Sana nagustuhan ninyo ang ating cheesy banana blossom balls for today. Kindly hit that like and share button, and to those who are new to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button and kindly include the notification bell, and every single comment is highly appreciated. Okay, bago tayo magpaalam ka-friendship, shout out muna. Shout out sa kay Eden Villanueva, Libby Katigasin Official, Putahing Japan, Life is Beautiful XP. Okay ka-friendship, puntahan ninyo ang kanilang mga channels, i-view ang kanilang mga videos dahil napakaganda ng kanilang mga content. Okay, once again, this is Tuto India at your service. Always remember, when you get what you want, that's God's direction. When you don't get what you want, that's God's protection. Okay, thank you very much for watching. See you on my next video. God bless us all. Bye-bye.